Hi again. Today we're going to make another Nyonya kuih, and I've made this kuih before. It's called Onde-ondeh, but this time I'm going to use purple sweet potato, and I'm going to use a different type of filling. In fact, I'm going to use a few, and one of them is actually kuih, which is Nian Gao. I'm Loretta of Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And furthermore, it will encourage me to make more videos. Let's go and see how to make sweet potato onde-ondeh with Nian Gao. I'm steaming some frozen purple sweet potato, and I will use about 100 grams of the sweet potato and 60 grams of glutinous rice, and I mix with some water to form a pliable dough. Take a portion of the dough to make a big marble-sized ball and make a hole in the center, and then you can put in the Nian Gao. Yes, and I'm going to put one Nian Gao or Chinese New Year cake. I put 2 pieces. I think it should be okay. And I've soaked this in some warm water, the Nian Gao, so that it's a bit soft and easier to cut. Now we roll it. There you are. We have one done. Okay. And I have this normal gula melaka mixture, palm sugar mixture, and I'm going to bring it this way. Yes, and then we cover it up so it doesn't leak. So this is ready. Now I'm going to put some peanut filling. So I put some peanuts and some sesame seed mixed with some honey or maple syrup to make it sticky so it won't run, so it's not loose. So we'll bring a pot of water to boil, and we dropped the onde-ondeh into it so that it will boil and it will float. Once the balls rise up, we are going to add in some more cold water because we want to make sure that it is really cooked. So the cold water will make it boil again so that it will be thoroughly cooked. This one looks like it's cooked and it's floating. So I'm going to lift it up, drain it, and I'm going to put it on the desiccated coconut, which I've added some salt. So I'm going to cut one and see what it is like. Oh, this is the Nian Gao. It's a bit sticky. Oh, that's the one with the peanuts. So this is the one with Nian Gao or kuih, and this is with peanuts, and this one is with gula melaka, and I think it's sort of burst a bit. It looks delicious. Let's try the onde-ondeh. The Nian Gao filling is very soft. The more sweet potato you put in the mixture, the stronger will be the color. So I hope you'll be inspired to try new things for your onde-ondeh using new ingredients and new fillings. So until the next time, enjoy experimenting, and I look forward to seeing you again. So before I go, don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. So until the next time, until the next recipe, I'm Loretta from Nyonya Recipe. Bye. Thank you. See you again. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.